I am going to show you how to fix G-Sync, whether it's flickering, stuttering, or lagging. Now first, what you want to do is right-click on your desktop, show more options, and then go to your NVIDIA control panel. Once you're here, under 3D settings, go to Manage 3D settings. Now here, you want to select your preferred graphics processor into your high-performance NVIDIA processor. Under the settings, go and find VSync. Now under VSync, you must set this to on. And then after that, you hit apply. Another easy fix is to go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, and go check for updates. It is very important to keep your drivers updated.